how to add an email button to your TikTok profile. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own email button on your TikTok profile. And this is basically just going to make it much easier for people to go and contact you. So to do this, we first need to head over to our TikTok profile, go and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, and then press settings and privacy. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and switch our profile over to a business account. So press account at the top of this page, click on switch to business account, and then you can just go through the steps to convert your account into a business account. Go and select a category. If you can't find a category that matches your profile, you can just scroll down and click others at the bottom of this page. Now it will ask to add your email address, and this is where you can create the clickable button. So just simply go and enter your email address, and then you can press add. Now once you've done this, you can go and swipe down to refresh your TikTok profile, and as you can see, we now have this email button that people can press and go and contact us directly. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.